Welcome back, my fellow hackers. And if you're new here, hi. Glad you're joining me today. And thank you for checking out my channel. Now for today, we are going back to my video, I Sheath You Not. And if you haven't seen that, I urge you to go check it out. The reason we're going back to this is because I had this comment right here from Yvette Tarantino. Hi, I was wondering if you wrap the knife in parchment paper, the glue would attach to it, and you could pull the knife out. It was a thought, not sure if it would work. Hang in there, love your videos. Well, thank you, Yvette. I'm so glad that you enjoy my videos. I'm glad you brought this up because I don't like seeing headaches. I like trying to actually get them to work. Sometimes they're not going to work. So we're going to try this and hopefully this will work. So thank you, Yvette Tarantino, for the suggestion. So if y'all are ready to see if we can make this work, before we do, please go down in the comments and let me know if you think this one's going to work or not. If you have an idea of your own, I'll always try it. So are you ready? All right, let's go. So we're going to wrap the knife in parchment paper. Not sure how to wrap the parchment paper because nothing sticks to it. I've literally found nothing. If anybody knows anything, let me know. So what I thought about doing was taking it about like that to where the parchment paper is still up here. Fold it up like that, but not too tight so it doesn't poke a hole through it. And then wrap it. That's where I would want to tape it down or something. But instead, I'm going to just place it here and then put the hot glue over top of it. And then when that's dry, flip it over and hopefully that will have helped. Maybe if I tighten it up. Actually, maybe if I do this side first. Yeah, I think I'm going to do this side first. That way I can get it all down. Now I know it looks messy, but this is just an experiment. I'm not trying to make it look pretty or anything. So I'm going to let this dry, flip it over, and we'll do the other side. Let that dry, and hopefully it works.
1 hour later.
Alright, it looks like it's all dry, so I'm just going to peel it up. Oh, no, look at that. See that? What I do is fill this in. So that's not bad. Gives me some idea that it might work. Yay! I'm excited. Alright, I'm going to start filling this in. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry. And then I'll be back to see if it works. I know it's going to work. I have faith in this. And you can see right here where the paper had risen up where it's trying to keep it safe, keep it down. So let's see if this works. This is going to be the harder part, what it looks like. But maybe see where it's glued up there. So what I'm going to have to do is try to get the air out up there and dig it out. Voila. It did come out. And it works. So, yes, it does work. All right, there you have it. A sheath made out of hot glue. It's not that easy to do if you really want to do it. All right, it worked. So, thank you again, Yvette Tarantino. That was a great idea. And honestly, I was a little bit worried because nothing sticks to parchment paper. But figured it out, and now we know you can make a sheath out of hot glue. So if you like this video, please let me know by hitting that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And leave me a comment. If you have an idea that you'd like me to try, just let me know. And I will do everything I can to get it to work out. And if you've seen any of my other videos, and if you see a headache, you think you might be able to help make it into a hack, let me know and I'll try that also. I hope you have fun. I have a lot of fun doing these. So let me know, because feedback is always welcome. And I really enjoy hearing from you guys. All right, until next time, y'all take care.